Hello Crimpy fans! Today we're unboxing the La Hacienda Firepit from Argos. It can be found on Argos for about £60 and it's great for keeping you warm when outdoors. Let's get this thing open. We'll fully take off this packaging in a minute. For now I'll just keep it over here. Okay, so what's in here next? What's this? So this is to put over, stop you from falling on it. So we'll rest this one over here, and then what else is in here? It is the, what is this? Oh, the pedestal stand. Okay, that's that one. And what did I drop on the floor? I'm not sure what this is for. I guess this is part of the pedestal stand. And then I think there's one. Ooh, there's a few attachments here. And then the griddle. Just to let you guys know, this is completely recyclable, everything in here. So I will be sure this goes out in the green bin and is thoroughly recycled, and we don't just chuck it away in the normal bin. So I've laid out all my parts, and the first step, according to the instructions, is I need to put this little ring in through this hole and then screw it in with this little nut. So let's do that. You need to be really careful at this stage because you do not want to break it. So just screw it in like so. Okay, so I'm going to call my dad over for the next bit. So Dad, if you can give me a hand. So this bit is easier with two people. So what we need to do now is we need to connect these screws through the holes in these, and we need to connect this to that onto that base. So let me just get out these screws in a minute. So this bit's a lot easier with two people. So lift this one up onto there. Let's line this one up. So after a long time of hard work, we finally connected the main fire pit bowl to the stand, and now all we have to do is put in the griddle like so, put on the top, and then I think we're ready to go light a fire. So let's put in some of the wood we have from earlier, and we'll reuse some of the packaging, because as we know, we need to reuse as healthy for the environment. So we're just using the wood we cut up from earlier because we're making a playhouse, and the packaging, some of the paper, just to make it go up a little bit easier. And yeah, I think we're going to time lapse it. So guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you're new around here, be sure to subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified every time I upload. Goodbye.